If you need to change the name of your LLC, it's not as complicated as you might think. And today we're going to show you how to do it easily through LegalZoom. In this video, we're going to walk you through step by step of how to change the name of your LLC, what to expect, what it costs, and what to do after you've changed your name to make sure that everything is compliant for your LLC. Guys, be sure to stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss any of the information that we have for you today. All right, so let's get right into it. So first off, the main question is, can you actually change the name of your LLC? And the answer is yes, you don't need to start over. You can keep your existing LLC structure, EIN number, and business bank account. You're just changing the legal name on file with the state. And so we're going to show you how to do that through LegalZoom. So go ahead and click on that first link down below in the description. That'll bring us to the same page here and we can walk through this process here together. Once you've clicked on that first link down below in the description, it should bring you to a page that looks similar to this. And you'll see that you can file your articles of amendment and make changes to your LLC. So when you're ready to get started, let's go ahead and click get started and then we can select our plan here. Now they offer 3 different plans for filing the articles of amendment for your LLC, which just allows you to change the name of your LLC or any other thing that you would like. So this first plan here is $129 plus state filing fees, and this files the articles of amendment to officially inform your state of changes to your business name, address, and more. This is going to include the creation of your articles of amendment, the filing with the state, and the optional expedited filing and delivering for approaching deadlines. That's the basic package here, but if you want something that's going to give you a little bit more in terms of compliance, then you're going to want to choose this compliance filings, which is their most popular option. Now, instead of being a one-time fee, this is actually a fee of $199 per year. And what this comes with is ongoing compliance. So let's go over some of the things. Obviously, this gets our articles of amendment plus ongoing state and federal filings, attorney-informed updates, and specialist support. So it includes everything from the articles of amendment package plus additional amendment filings with the Secretary of State for other changes to your business. So not just your name, not just your address, but other things. The filing of your beneficial ownership information plus ongoing updates if required. And this is a really important form actually. It started January 1st, 2024. We have other videos about it on the channel, so we won't go too into depth here now, but just know that this BOI form is very important to fill out and it's going to give the government information on the beneficial owners of your LLC. This will also file your annual reports to satisfy ongoing state filing requirements. Also, attorneys can track filing rule updates, evaluate impact to your business, and provide information on new requirements. This will also have customized compliance alerts for your business filing requirements and a personalized compliance support from the experienced specialists at LegalZoom. Now let's look at the compliance filings plus licenses and permits package. This package is $299 per year, and it's going to include everything from the previous 2 plans, as well as custom summaries of required federal, state, and local licenses and permits, which if you're a first-time entrepreneur, this is highly recommended that you get help with this. I remember I didn't get the necessary licenses until my accountant told me to, so just be sure that you're on top of this because technically in order to operate your business within your city, county, and state, you need specific business permits and licenses. So be sure that you have those. This will also include details about each license, permit, and registration and its importance to your business. That's really helpful in terms of informational knowledge. Then there's direct access to required applications with simplified instructions, streamlined tools for uploading, viewing, and sharing business licenses through your LegalZoom account, notifications of upcoming expiration dates and updates to your license report, and lastly, personalized compliance and licensing support from their experienced specialists. So in terms of what plan you want to choose, you can go ahead and choose what's best for your specific situation, but the plan that we're going to show you today is this articles of amendment one because it's going to show you exactly how to switch the name of your LLC. So let's go ahead and click that. And it looks like they already have our business on file, so we'll go ahead and continue here. You'll just have to put your name in when it asks for your business name. And we'll say we're an LLC. And so let's go ahead and enter the name of the existing business. And we'll go ahead and put in the information for our business here. And once we're finished with all that, we can go ahead and click next. Now here we can go ahead and do the business name change. So let's be sure to click the business name change here. Now, if you're registering your business in a different state, let's say it started in California, that's where you formed it, and you're going to Florida, then you want to choose this second option here. That's going to be the foreign qualification state. But for us, let's just say it's the same state. And then there's all these other things that you can change as well. So the business address, the manager name or address, the officer name, the registered agent change. Go ahead and select what you're going to change for your business. business. But for us, we're just changing the name of ours. So we'll go ahead and continue here. So let's go ahead and say Deals 2. That's the new name of our company. And we can go ahead and put in our registered agent service. And then once we've done that, let's just go ahead and enter the name of the authorized signer of the amendment. And then at the end here, you can choose the amendment standard package, which is $129 plus California filing fees, or the expedited, which is just going to get it done faster. We'll go ahead and go with the amendment standard here. And then for shipping the hard copy, you need to select standard delivery or 2-day or overnight. So we can just go ahead and choose the cheapest option here. And once we're all done with that, it'll bring us to the review page here. And you'll see that the California filing fees for the name change is $30 here, plus the $129 that they charged us. And we can go ahead and continue to checkout. Let's go ahead and put in our information here and our credit card information here. All right, and once you're finished with that, just go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click agree and pay, and you'll be all set to go. After LegalZoom files your name change with the state, it usually takes about 2 to 4 weeks for processing, depending on which state you're in. Some states also offer expedited processing if you're in a rush, so you can go ahead and choose that. Now, here's the part that most people miss. Once your LLC name is officially changed, there's still more work to do. So here's what else you need to update. Number 1, your EIN. Now, the good news is you don't need a new EIN number if you're changing the name of your LLC, but you do need to notify the IRS. Now, you can do this by mailing a letter to the IRS or submitting Form 8822B. And LegalZoom actually has instructions on this on their website, or you can just talk to your accountant. Number 2 is your business bank accounts. You need to call your bank and let them know that you've legally changed the name of your business. You'll likely need to bring in 2 things when you do this: your articles of amendment and your updated EIN letter from the IRS. Number 3 is your operating agreement. If you have one, you need to make sure that you update the name inside of that document. LegalZoom can also help you create or update your operating agreement if you don't already have one. Number 4 is your website, contracts, and marketing materials. Basically, everything that had the name of your old LLC should be changed. So social media, email footers, invoices, business cards, and literally everything else. All right, and number 5, your business licenses and permits. Depending on your industry or state, you may need to update your business name with your local city or county office. So be sure to look into that. Now, here's a quick tip. If you're rebranding your business completely, it might make sense to create a new LLC rather than amending the old one. But if you're just slightly modifying your name or want to keep your history and tax ID the same, then a name change is the better route. All right, let's recap everything. Step number 1 is to go to our link down below in the description of this video and select the LLC name amendment service on LegalZoom's website. Number 2, enter the current name of your business in the process we showed you. Enter the new name and the state that you're filing in. Step number 3 is LegalZoom files that information on your behalf and sends you confirmation when it's completed. Step number 4 is to update your EIN, bank accounts, operating agreement, and marketing materials. And that's pretty much it. LegalZoom makes the process super simple to change the name of your LLC. So guys, if you're looking to change the name of your LLC and you're ready to get started, go ahead and click on that link down below in the description that will help you get started today. Now, just note that is an affiliate link and we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. Using those links really helps us out to keep creating free content like this for you. So thank you so much in advance for helping us out there. Guys, if you found this video helpful, please leave us a like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell for more videos like this in the future. And lastly, this channel is dedicated to new and existing business owners to give you everything you need to know about LLCs. We review the best tools and platforms out there to help you set up, manage, and optimize your LLC. With that said, guys, thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best in your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you back again in the next video.